What's up, brothers?
Later, brother.
Special team, special plays. Omaha.
Squaw, squaw.
Check. I guess what we're doing today.
Well,
speed wash.
speed wash.
Yeah. Look
James has $4, and he has to wash his whole car with $4. I don't know what that's. I think the minimum is what, $3 or $3. So
something like that.
I don't know how it works, if it's a minute per dollar or
I don't know.
I don't know. He's about to find out. But anyways, we're gonna get the speed wash going, and okay, we gotta watch out.
I got 6 minutes.
Yeah, 6 minutes. We can do it.
Done. With 21 seconds, that's fair! You know what they say?
Oh my god. I don't know what he's talking about.
All the time.
Oh no, well, actually, look. Alright, guys, we have proof. This is not clean.
Hi.
Look at all that dirt. That's a lot of dirt.
Good. Guys, so you cannot clean your car
In
with 5 minutes. I don't like these.
Oh my god. I don't know where it was.
He never saw it coming. Let's just say that.
I think you hit him first, and then he landed, and then he went bye-bye.
I think we have a little residue of the bee here.
Well, guys, we filmed James's car.
It didn't go as planned, but
It didn't go as planned, but you know, we're on to the next.
it works.
We're on to this clean car.
2002 Mitsubishi Eclipse.
What are you doing? What
I
are
don't know
you
if that would be
doing?
ideal. Is that my starting position right there? I got
That is your starting
It's
position.
a challenge. Since James did like a quarter of my car,
All right, how much do you have?
I only have $3 in my name. Up, Mr. Money Machine. Yum, yum, yum. Oh, $6.99. That's a dollar bill. What does that mean? Well, what if the last $3 in my name are all fake bills, dude? Maybe they are.
Maybe.
This is rough, man.
Try a different bill.
He only
Actually-
has. He only has.
Yeah, what if I, wait, can I get my money back if I don't take this one?
I don't know.
It said no change given. Unless you do that, and then maybe it'll.
I mean, I got my credit card. I don't know why I'm doing the bills.
Oh well.
Holy, these might be fakers. I don't know.
Let me see them.
Hey, make it rain. How do they look, sir?
Fake it.
Nah, you for real?
Sir, I'm gonna have to place you under arrest.
Where's
I
your
did
vest?
leave
Sorry,
it.
you're off duty, sir.
Oh, yeah.
You're off.
He drive me Coco. I go Coco for the Coco Queens.
Dude, I know I need more. The machine's saying more.
All right.
Where's the soap? Oh, there.
smoky. Oh my God. Yo.
Alright, I think that's soaked up enough.
You got 30 seconds!
Oh, I'm putting it hot.
30 seconds! Call it safety!
Yeah, call it.
With 10 seconds to spare!
Oh! Well,
He went.
now the final step of this whole cleaning procedure is to drain the exhaust, or I'm about to go do that in a second.
You ready? Oh, you're at $20.
No way.
Oh, my foot! Ah!
Bro, what's this?
Oh, you didn't know? We
What's
got tags now. Oh, we
I thought you hit your car
I
for a
did too.
second.
I was like, oh no. So, Cole, you've had these for how long?
Too long.
For too long. So are we selling these?
Oh yeah.
How much?
Cinco.
$5?
$5?
$5 for these tags, guys. And then guys, here, give me the camera real
Yeah,
quick.
yeah.
Guys, look at them rocking the merch over here. Hell
We
yeah.
got the front, back,
Guys.
side, up, down.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hold on. Stay still. Oh yeah. You guys ready to go to Freddy's?
Alright.
Get some whipped cream.
I want some ice cream.
It's time to get ice cream, guys.
We want that froyo,
All right.
pronto.
Cameraman.
Yo. But yeah, guys, if you want one of these shirts, I'll put my Instagram down below. DM me on Instagram, and I'll let y'all in. But there's only a limited amount, so if y'all really want one, act fast. They're going pretty fast already.